Get excited, everyone. We're going to take you behind the scenes at Mulbury. And here's Zoe, her lovely assistant extraordinaire. Here we are at the back with Gerry. And what are you up to there, Gerry?
Oh, we're de-nailing some of this timber that we're going to use for the chunky frames. So what we do is we use a pinch bar like this, and we take the nails out and put them in there. And sometimes the nails are rusty, so we reach across and we get a metal detector and we go through. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
And so then we mark that, and those either got to be punched or taken out. So there's plenty in here.
Oh, wow.
So that's what we're doing here. Preparing the timber for the chunky frames.
Wonderful. And how long would it typically take you to do that on each piece of wood that size?
It's every piece is different.
Yeah.
Some are soft, some are hard. Some the nails come out nice and easy. Look, let me look at this. This one looks like it'll come out nice and easy. Okay.
Yeah.
Some of them break off because they're rusted, and they're the ones that create issues for us. Because when we go to our next step to prepare to clean up the timber, we've got to make sure that these nails are punched in or taken out. And if they're rusted and they're broken, we can't take them out. So, but anyway, look, it's a lot of fun and we enjoy what we do.
So working with the timber, Gerry, can you tell us about the different thicknesses of the timber and how it affects your work?
Yeah, certainly. So what we're trying to do is when we get our timber in, this is all Australian hardwood, eucalypt timber. Again, they come from houses, wharfs, wherever they come from. We try and maintain a thickness as thick as possible. So we still got to dress it. So what we do is we put it through our thicknesser like this, and we clean it up, and the result is that. After we clean it, that's what it looks like.
Wow, so that's
okay. That's what it looks like. So the problems and the pitfalls we have, sometimes you get timber that's really thick on one end and really thin on the other.
Right.
So that's where our experience and expertise comes in, and we have to maintain a certain level, a certain finish.
Thanks for that, Gerry. And can you tell us what these things are over here? These look interesting.
Yeah, these are our dust extractors, and they're hooked up to our routers, our thicknessers, our table saws. And what we do is we just try and keep this area as dust-free as possible, which is really impossible, but we try and do that. And all our clean sawdust goes to chicken farmers, mushroom farmers, so we give away all this sawdust, and that's what we do. We try and not waste anything. So it's a lot of fun.
Wonderful. That sounds great.
What we're doing here is we're joining the frames. So this is a V-nailer, and it puts the V-nails from the bottom, as you can see there. So make sure that all the joins are nice and even, and there's no gaps or anything in it. So that's what this machine does. Puts all the frames together for us.
And what's the importance of that level join there without the gaps?
We are tradies here. We are tradesmen. So our finish is really important to us. And if we're not happy with a join, it won't leave this place. Before it leaves here, we have Gordy, who's our quality controller. Nothing passes him. He's an eagle eye from way back, and so nothing passes him at all.
Sounds great. Well, I've seen the work, and there's always lots of compliments on it. So keep up the great work, Gerry.
And it's great to be able to use this recycled timber. Fantastic.
Absolutely brilliant. Well done.